Hello, bachas. Welcome back to the channel The F in Physics, where the F in Physics stands for fun. Now, here's a question where a lot of you kids are having doubt from. Okay, let's understand the diagram. So, in the diagram, there is no power supply, which means it has to be a generator. And whenever the diagram is or the question is demanding induction, that the current is induced, what we know is that we have to use Fleming's right hand rule. Okay, now without even reading the question, let's first understand the diagram. So there are two magnets, north and south. There is a coil in between. If you understand the coil, let's start from here. It's connected to the slip ring, which is connected to Y. Very good. The other end obviously will be connected to X, and as the coil rotates, this slip ring will keep changing position. Okay, the wire will keep changing position now, and that is what they have given here. Correct? Let's see what the question is demanding. They are telling us that the potential difference between X and Y is plotted, and a positive value in PD tells us that X is more positive than Y. What this means is, if X is more positive than Y, your current is flowing from X to Y, because my current flows from a more positive terminal to the less positive terminal. Correct? So my current is flowing from X to Y. Now what they have given us is point P, and I can clearly see point P is going below the value of 0, which means negative potential. So as per this data, if your X is more positive than Y, you have a positive PD. A negative PD means Y is more positive than X, which means current is flowing from Y to X. And they have given us 4 options, which is the possible position of the coil. Okay. See, without doing anything, I can easily eliminate Bombay and Delhi, because I know when the coil is vertical, EMF induced is 0, which means these conditions indicate B and D positions. Okay. Now, let's understand in this condition. Okay. In this situation, which is my option C, how the current is flowing. So, if I just label the coil as A, B, C, D, and if I only look at AB, for AB section of the coil, this part, my magnetic field is from left to right, and because the coil is moving clockwise, I know AB has to go up. So force is upwards. This is my force. This is my magnetic field, my index finger. Use your right hand rule and check where the middle finger points. You will see that the middle finger points into the page, which means current is entering AB, move to the right, comes out of CD, and then from here it is taken into the resistor from Y to X. So in this case, my current is flowing from Y to X, and I believe that is the question demanding, because as per the question, my Y needs to be more positive than X, which means any option which has the same arrangement of the coil as this is my answer, and thus my answer becomes C. Okay, the only catch over here was identifying what exactly this line and this point means and how the current in this is. Okay, so I hope this question was clear to you all. I will catch you in some another video, another question. Until then, take care, keep studying. Adios.